How to Start Email Marketing in 2024 Complete Tutorial for Beginners. First, let's talk about why email marketing is still relevant in 2024. Despite the rise of social media and other digital marketing channels, email remains one of the most powerful tools for reaching your audience directly. It's cost-effective, highly customizable, and allows for personalized communication that can drive significant engagement and conversions. Step 1. Choose your email marketing platform. To get started, you'll need to choose an email marketing platform. Popular options include MailChimp, ConvertKit, and Sendinblue. These platforms offer user-friendly interfaces, automation features, and analytics to track your campaign performance. Spend some time exploring these platforms to find the one that best suits your needs and budget. Step 2. Build your email list. Next, you need to build your email list. This is a crucial step, as a high-quality email list is the foundation of successful email marketing. Start by creating a sign-up form on your website, offering valuable incentives such as a free ebook, discount, or exclusive content to encourage visitors to subscribe. Remember, it's important to obtain explicit consent from subscribers to comply with regulations like GDPR. Step 3. Segment your audience. Once you've started building your list, segment your audience based on their interests, behaviors, and demographics. Segmentation allows you to send targeted emails that are more likely to resonate with your recipients. For example, you might create segments for new subscribers, repeat customers, and inactive subscribers, tailoring your messages to each group's specific needs and interests. Step 4. Craft compelling content. Content is king in email marketing. Your emails should be engaging, informative, and valuable to your readers. Start with a compelling subject line to grab attention. Then, ensure your email content is well-structured, concise, and includes a clear call to action. Use visuals like images and videos to make your emails more appealing, but avoid cluttering the message. Step 5. Automate your campaigns. Automation is a game changer in email marketing. Use your platform's automation features to set up welcome emails, drip campaigns, and follow-up sequences. Automation not only saves you time but also ensures consistent communication with your subscribers. For instance, you can automate a series of onboarding emails for new subscribers to introduce them to your brand and offerings. Step 6. Analyze and optimize. Finally, regularly analyze your email marketing performance. Pay attention to key metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates. Use these insights to optimize your campaigns. A/B testing different elements of your emails, like subject lines or call-to-action buttons, can help you understand what resonates best with your audience and improve your results over time. Thank you for watching our tutorial on how to start email marketing in 2024. With these steps, you're well on your way to creating effective email campaigns that engage your audience and drive success for your business.